we go.
I was working as a teacher when we met, and I went out to the officers club on base and met a bunch of pilots. Chris and I talked for a few minutes, and I talked to some other people, and then our friend went and brought him over and said, you need to meet this guy. I said, good to meet you, and he said, I just met you 5 minutes ago.
Obviously, I was not very memorable for the first time she met me, but
Now we've been married for 25 years.
one of the guys that I work with said, hey, we have a position over in Germany that just opened up. Are you interested? And we're just kind of sitting down, and I go, hey, an interesting thing happened today.
I just traveled through the US. I had never even been to Europe. Now we're empty nesters. They've got lives in Virginia. So I have like almost a contract with Chris that at least twice a year, I want them to be able to come, especially during Christmas, if we could do that. Let's go. We definitely need a house in Germany that has space for our kids, to have them kind of experience picture perfect Christmas. We could make it look like a Christmas tree and put all the mugs. We're gonna do a lot of markets. We're gonna need more space.
All right. There's a lot of pressure on me for this because I am taking Heather out of her job, out of her environment, away from our kids, and I want her to be happy.
What I really like about Kaiserslautern is that it's a beautiful countryside. If you come to Germany, you want to see the castles, you want to get to know the history. Santa actually shows up on New Year's Eve. Germans also have to sing a song in order to get their presents, and it's definitely a different tradition over here.
We'd really like to move in by Christmas. Our kids are coming. I think we are looking for 4 bedrooms. You know, bathrooms, I think 2, 2.5.
I'd like to be a nice, kind of a more modern American type house.
But I would like it to feel like we're living in Germany.
Do you have any preferred areas that you want to stay in?
We would like to live in kind of the classic German village and also where we can have a close commute to the base. That would make sense.
Okay, got it. What is the max that you can actually spend on the house?
Around $2,800 per month.
As long as we could be in the house a little before Christmas so that we can get a tree up, make it feel like home, that's fine.
Here we are in Lohnsfeld. It's very close to Kaiserslautern with a very nice village charm.
I noticed we kind of a long drive out here.
We do.
How far are we from work?
About 35 minutes,
That'd be a little bit difficult.
but this is actually the house.
I see a garage.
There's also another garage just right down that driveway.
You're speaking Chris's language here.
And plenty of storage for us to put stuff.
It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house.
Ooh, a little bit tight.
Yes, but the rooms are quite big.
And what's the price point?
$2,600.
We could have people sleep
is
in the
fine.
garage.
That is ridiculous. Ooh, this is big.
We also have 2 ovens. It could fit 1.5 turkeys in there.
Definitely make Christmas dinner in there.
That's very untypical for Germany to have 2 ovens and a large fridge.
I mean, I know we were looking for German charm, but you know, I'm okay with having a modern kitchen.
Yeah.
Lots of space, but no furniture.
Yep.
This place is actually unfurnished.
We got plenty of furniture coming.
Or we could buy some.
Okay. Heather tends to purchase a lot of things that I don't necessarily think we need.
And we have another door right here. It takes you right to your primary bedroom.
More wallpaper.
I get to be dizzy in all the rooms.
So let's check out the ensuite bathroom.
Okay. It's definitely modern.
This is nice. This is nice.
So we have 1 more bathroom and 2 more bedrooms down here.
Might have to change the light fixture.
Why, you don't like it? It's a nice pirate boat.
Yeah, somehow our 21-year-old boys might think it's a little too childlike.
Yeah. Once we have all 3 kids, somebody's sharing a bedroom, and again, we want to make this a place that they love to come.
I mean, it's a really nice house. I love the big modern kitchen, but I can't get over the fact that it's only 3 bedrooms.
But more than anything, Heather and Chris need a home to house their grown kids for the holidays, where only a bedroom for all means for all a good night.
I can totally see them host their whole family when they come for a visit, but space in the rest of the house, it may not be sufficient. So we're here in a quaint German town called Ersenhausen. It's a farming village,
Okay.
Okay.
but it's super close to base. It's only a 12-minute commute.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's really cute.
This is actually the house,
I don't see a garage.
but it has 2 carports.
What about storage?
I mean, you have a little bit of storage, but not too much.
Hey, where's the Christmas tree gonna go? Where's the decorations gonna go in storage for all of the knickknacks and stuff I know that Heather's gonna get?
But you have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms,
Now that's perfect.
and it's only $2,100 on the rent.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, okay. There's rooms for each of the kids. Maybe you could do without a garage.
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Come on in.
I mean, we've got some little storage area here.
You also
Pretty
have
spare.
additional storage right here and underneath the staircase.
We'd have to make it look good, though.
Yeah, because right when you enter, you don't want to see boxes right there.
Ooh, this is nice and bright.
Kind of an open floor plan, which we like. That's
like
nice.
that.
Kind of a modern feel to it. And all this furniture stays?
It stays.
Okay.
Yeah, but look at this. Really?
I'm sorry, I did not see that at all.
We expect good furniture when you have something furnished. I mean, not something that obviously has been lived in. It sticks out.
Let's move on to the kitchen.
Okay, it's a little smaller.
I know, it's a typical German standard size kitchen.
Yeah, I don't think we can get a Christmas turkey in there.
No.
But it looks like you can get right out to the backyard.
It's a little small.
And it looks like it's only partially fenced in, just a little bit closer than we like to be to the neighbors.
It's a problem.
I don't want us to feel cramped and that we don't have enough space to live.
You're going to love the upstairs. It has 4 bedrooms and most have loft areas.
That could be more storage. That's nice.
And the ceiling's in here.
The typical
Great.
German ceiling.
The character's amazing.
Follow me into the main bedroom.
It feels a little small.
Yeah.
This ceiling kind of makes up for any loss of space, for me anyway.
And it also has an ensuite bathroom.
Oh, this is a great space,
Yep.
but it's all open storage. I mean, I feel like there's a lot of space for family, but there's really not a space to put all of our decorations.
Yeah.
We'd have to get creative.
Oh, wow, look at this. This is a
Oh,
nice big
yeah.
outside area. And look at the goats.
They're cute.
But I kind of smell them a little bit.
Oh, it's not that bad. And we've got an outlet here so we could put another Christmas tree.
What we need, one more Christmas tree. We've already got enough.
No, there's never enough. But I love this country feel that we have out here, and it's just got a whole lot of charm.
Yeah, and the location is close to base, which is kind of perfect. But I didn't get the garage. That's going to be kind of difficult for all the Christmas decorations.
But there's enough space for each of our kids to have their own rooms. I think this could be a contender, even without the garage. It's super cute. It's got a lot of charm.
It also has 1 garage.
Oh, I like the garage idea.
Chris may have space to store the ornaments, but Heather's worried the kids won't fit.
This is your 3rd bedroom.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You like it?
I think he likes that one.
I got Loki right after the kids were going to school. And, you know, I knew it was gonna be really hard having the empty nest. And Loki is a huge part of my life. I love that dog. Oh my gosh, we're trying them all out.
When she mentioned getting the dog, I'm like, getting a dog is like having a new kid. You know, it's gonna limit our freedom. But now I think it's one of the best decisions we've ever made. I think it looks pretty good in that one.
He looks really cute. I do all of the shopping for the Christmas presents. He usually doesn't even know what the kids are getting in many cases. I'll come home with an antique or a little treasure, and he's like, we really didn't need that.
But apparently we did need it.
Oh, that's
That's
adorable.
a bit big. That one sticks out a bit more, don't you
Yeah,
think?
it does.
Yeah.
You can really tell.
Yep.
We're going for Christmas here.
All Heather and Chris want for Christmas is to have their kids visit. But the pressure is on to find the perfect place with plenty of time before Santa sets off.
Chris and Heather are actually looking for a 4-bedroom. I know this is a 3-bedroom house, but I'm trying to convince them because the rental market in Kaiserslautern, super close to base, is actually pretty tense. So I hope I can actually catch him with that. So here we are in Bonn. It's a nice German village
The town is really cute.
The town is beautiful.
located down in a valley.
So how far are we from base?
Only 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes we
I
like.
know,
Okay,
so
we
it's
like
a short
that.
commute.
It's super cute. It's got a lot of charm. How many bedrooms, bath?
3 bedrooms,
Oh, I just worry about having the kids come to visit.
but we have a lot of storage space.
Okay.
Okay, we'll trust you on this.
2 bathrooms. It also has 1 garage.
Oh, I like the garage idea. And what's the price point?
It's $2,900.
Okay.
I
A
know,
little bit
we're
above.
right on the top.
But maybe
Definitely, it's worth it. It's worth it. Let's go inside.
Okay.
fabulous. Whoa.
Wow, this is nice.
This
Very
is
modern.
beautiful.
Right there is where the Christmas tree would go.
Oh yeah, I think
And
that'd
for
be a good
decorations
spot.
for that.
It's nice and open, but I really want to check that out. Yeah. Like we're gonna spend a lot of time out here.
Those views are amazing.
Yeah.
We're definitely used to having beautiful views. Back in Virginia, it was of the water. The views off this place are just as amazing as far as the countryside.
That, for me, takes the cake.
So this is the kitchen, guys.
It's not a huge kitchen.
And is that the oven over there?
It is.
Super small.
Yeah, they're all
These German ovens are all so little.
But that's a nice rack to dry off the dishes.
Or you can just use it for your Christmas mugs.
We could. Hopefully we can gather some of those mugs to kind of mold our Christmas traditions together.
Is this the only access to get outside?
It is.
Looks like we have a fence.
It's partially fenced.
Okay.
Wow.
This is a very small yard for the dog. I mean, Loki's used to having about 2 acres.
There's always one downside, right?
We want Loki
Yeah.
to be happy here too.
Let's go upstairs to see the bedrooms.
Okay.
What is this?
This is your third bedroom.
Seriously?
Seriously.
It just doesn't have any privacy. When our kids come visit for Christmas, we want some of their creature comforts that they're used to having so that they're encouraged to come visit.
So this is your second bedroom.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the primary bedroom, if you want to follow me there.
Nice, good size.
This works.
Yep. Where's the bathroom upstairs?
You have to go out. It's not en suite.
Okay. This is nice.
You have the tub, you have the shower right here.
But it's so small.
I know.
We'll just have to get used to things a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Well, the location's amazing. It's the right distance from base that we want, and you got me the garage. Got
And
plenty
the-
of storage.
The views, they're better than the garage. But when you're in that third bedroom, like it's really not a bedroom. Like I'm just not sure.
Yep.
We both need to feel security. And for him, feeling security is having a space for all of his things. And if we don't have enough room to put decorations, he's gonna be worried. So I think that's gonna be difficult.
Only having 3 bedrooms. We could put one of the kids in the garage. That would work.
It's unbelievably beautiful.
And I'm looking forward to the kids coming over for Christmas.
It's exactly what I was gonna say.
We start Christmas pretty early in our family. The day after Thanksgiving, I make the trek up into the attic and pull out, seems like hundreds of boxes of Christmas decorations. And that's kind of our big bonding moment, all of us decorating the Christmas tree together.
With the festive season right around the corner, Heather and Chris know if they're going to be set before Santa and their kids come to town, they'll need to sort out what's going to feel the most like home for the holidays.
What about the big house, the big yard?
Incredible kitchen.
It was a huge yard. Loki would love it. But the wallpaper, I mean,
Whatever, it's wallpaper.
I get to be dizzy in all the rooms. And then the farmhouse.
There was such charm to that house. It really felt homey.
But the problem was where we're gonna keep things.
You also
Pretty
have
fair.
additional storage right here and underneath the staircase.
We'd have to make it look good though.
Yeah, because right when you enter, you don't want to see boxes right there.
What about the house with the view? I mean, that patio was amazing.
That was great. Had my garage.
But the bedrooms,
This is your third bedroom.
seriously?
Seriously.
It's most important to me that the kids are able to come visit, and I just don't see anyone who's gonna be wanting to sleep up in that loft area without a door.
I agree. All right, 2-car garage, big yard. Nice modern house.
An amazing house. That kitchen was to die for. We could make a huge Christmas dinner in that house.
It was almost like being in an American house.
It really was.
Can we talk about the garages? 2 garages.
That's like your dream.
It is. It's got all the storage we could possibly need. And it's a dream yard for Loki.
But it would take a long time for you to get to work.
Yeah, about 35 minutes. Only 3 bedrooms. But I think it could work because we got the extra space with the garages and stuff like that. We could
Never
put
know.
one of the kids in the garage. That would work.
The house in the countryside. The village was adorable, and like all the exposed wood, it was so charming.
But with the charm came no garage and no storage.
Yes, I know. I knew you were going to talk about
I
the
mean, no garage.
I know.
The kitchen wasn't necessarily as big or as nice as you
No,
wanted.
you're right.
And it comes with a small yard also.
It does, but the thing that really matters, there was enough space for each of our kids to have their own room when they come to visit us.
Yep. It kind of pains me to say it, but I'm willing to give up my garage and my storage to give us the great house in a tiny little village for you.
We'll find a creative way to store everything, and it just feels homey.
Absolutely.
Loki's looking for dropped food.
He's gonna get a good meal here.
Christmas in Germany is pretty fantastic. It really is magical. Oh, look at the Santa. Can we get him? There are all these ornaments and lights, and it's just this unbelievable experience.
All right, you want to get the big guy with a heart?
Yes.
We've been to a few Christmas markets, and it's like a postcard that you see that you don't believe is true, and we've only started.
Oh, it looks nice and warm.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's so good. Tree's looking beautiful, but we need some Christmas red. There's just no...
It doesn't fit.
We're just a couple weeks away from our kids coming over.
You know, we're still working a little bit on decorations, but we're getting close. We should have it up and ready by the time the kids get here.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey, Cameron.
Hey!
Hey, Rye Guy.
Hey.
What's Loki doing?
He's gonna freak out when he sees you.
I love you guys a lot, but Loki's kind of on a different level.
I don't know how we got this lucky, but I feel like this house was the right choice for us.
We already got our first couple mugs to put on the mug tree. And we're trying to start new traditions and just changing it up a little bit.